Hello, in today's video we would like to show how you can create polls in Telegram. So first of all, open up the chat or group that you would like to create the polls in, or should I say the poll in. Here at the bottom part of your display, tap on this paperclip icon, scroll this available options to the right a little, or should I say to the left, and in here you'll have the poll feature or poll icon, which you gotta tap on. In here you want to enter the poll title, so I'll just type in question, for example. Add options that the poll will have, so option 1, option 2, and etc. You can add, well, how many options you would like to have. Next, we are able to decide whether this voting will be anonymous or not, whether it will have multiple answers, or make it a quiz mode. As you can see, once we turn on the quiz mode toggle, it is required that we mark the correct answer, just like so. And there is also the field that allows us to, once in the quiz mode, enter the explanation for this quiz, as you can see, or should I say for the right answer. And the text that we will type in here, it will be displayed only after the person chooses the wrong answer, obviously. So let's create a poll, choose option 2, and as you can see, this message appears right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.